Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to add your Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet. Now there's actually an instruction right here which is quite useful for us. But the first thing that we need to make sure is to just go ahead and download the Ticketmaster app. So it will be something like this or something like this. So make sure to go ahead and download it and then log into your account. And then once that you have bought say you're an event that you have, so say for example like this, select that event and then buy the ticket. You should be able to get some form of QR code like this, and then if you actually go down under the QR code, there will be an option where it says add to Apple Wallet. So when you add to Apple Wallet, you should be able to see something like this. So it will open up the Apple Wallet, and then you can go ahead and click on the add icon on the top right for you to go ahead and add this like so. And then you should be able to see it up here on your wallet right here, which you can go ahead and use. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.